Thank you for tuning in to, wow. What's up YouTube? It's your girl D Forever back with another video, and today I'm doing, as you saw from the title, a what's in my bag esthetician school edition. If you're curious to see what I bring to school with me every day, make sure you stay tuned. I got my backpack. This is the backpack here. I love this, you guys. It's just the cutest backpack, and it's a backpack that actually has like a little charger port on it. And I actually got this backpack from Staples, and it was like $12 or $13 or something. I paid for it. But I first talked about this backpack in my first day of esthetician school / what came in my kit. So if you're interested in knowing how all that went for me and seeing what came in my actual kit for esthetician school, make sure you go back and check that out. But we're gonna dive into the backpack, and I'm just gonna go compartment by compartment and show you what I packed for school. In this largest compartment, there's a large compartment, another one here, and then this front zipper. So all the way in the back here, this is what it looks like, and this is where I keep the bulk of my stuff. So inside of here, there are my pencils. This is my pen. I'm very particular about the utensils I use to write with. So this is my special pen that's also a stylus. This is my pencil. I only use zebra pencils, 0.5 lead. And then I have my brow pencils in there as well, because you guys know. Whew, you gotta do brows every day, y'all. Every single day. And then I also have these in here. My Nana bought these for me. But I also like enjoy just keeping those around. Just, I don't know, I just feel like it just makes me feel like I'm not gonna get sick, even though I know that's not true. It just feels like I'm doing something preventative, okay? But let's dive into the big things that were inside of the backpack. So this is my notebook. I showed you guys this already, but this is where I keep my classroom notes here. And then this is my iPad and my Apple Pencil. And this case, you guys, is like the best thing ever for an iPad if you want to convert it to somewhat of like a mini laptop to bring with you. So it's actually a keyboard here, and it's magnetic, and it kind of props up, but it's really a game changer for my iPad. I do have a MacBook, but it's a little bit older and it's a little bit more bulky. So this is really, really light, compact to go into my backpack, and it's perfect for school. So if you have an iPad, I recommend taking your notes on that and logging into your school portal from that, and just having something really lightweight on the go. And then lastly, I was really torn between having a binder or what I should do to stay organized throughout school, because you guys know I'm doing half in seat and then the other half is, you know, online. So I found out that there are these things called paper organizers. It looks just like a folder, just a little bit thicker. And then it's still bendable, but this spine right here kind of gives it some structure. But basically, it has different compartments in here. So you can see like there's different tabs, just as if it was a binder. But yeah, I pretty much have like my syllabus on the first page. This is always dedicated to whatever I'm studying in class, and for week 2 we actually studied waxing, and we did brow tinting as well. So I learned how to wax brows, armpits, and legs, and I had all 3 of those things waxed on me. If you guys want to have my story time on my first experience ever having my armpits or legs waxed, whoo child, make sure you go ahead and comment down below, because y'all, it didn't go horrible, but it didn't go perfect, and it didn't go right, because it's the first time, y'all know. But if y'all want to hear that story time, make sure you let me know and I'll do that for you. This middle one is pretty much everything we're studying. The 3rd week is when I go back and we're gonna be exploring makeup, which I'm so excited for. And then just like some general handouts that they give us. And then they gave us like a list of days our school would be closed for us so that we could know ahead of time. And then in this back, it's just like all the general information about the school. But yeah, it's super cute. Just it organizes everything that I need. And pretty much my plan is to keep the study guides for all chapters in here, but all of the other handouts and things, if that gets too congested and cluttered, I will be removing those, placing them into a file, and keeping handy exactly what I need. Okay, now we're gonna go into that center section here and see what I keep. And that is just my foundations book. This is what my foundations book looks for my school for the esthetician class. So I just keep this inside of there, just because sometimes when you're in class you have extra time. Like for example, some people were absent, so they had to take a test, and so the instructor allowed them time to take the test, and then we kind of had a free will to do whatever except play on our phone. So it's good to have your book so that you can kind of just study ahead or take the opportunity to ask clarifying questions if you don't understand something. So I have that in here, and then it's actually like a little pocket for you to put your power bank in if you wanted to use the backpack as a charger. And then here's my little flower. I literally bring this to every single class, and I just kind of set it in like the upper corner of my work area because it's pretty much like a bar, and they have these dividers because of COVID, so nobody's really in your space, and it's like a long countertop and multiple seats along that, and so you kind of just have like your own little workspace. And aesthetics are everything to me, so I just try to make it feel a little bit more like at home, and it just gives me a better vibe to have some greenery in there. So I just literally come to school every time I have class and put this flower out, and then when I leave and I pack up my area, I bring it back home with me. And then I keep my ID there, so this is my school ID. And then we are going to move to this front pocket here. And inside of the front pocket, I have a lip gloss, which I'm gonna be using right now. So lip gloss stays in here, and then a hand sanitizer stays in here. Then I have a little snack because I don't know why, like out of nowhere it'll just hit me and my stomach will be like and it's like so embarrassing. And there are quiet moments in class. You have to take tests. Sometimes it's just quiet time for you to get work done. Sometimes you're actually like providing a service, so it's just uncomfortable. So I always try to put a snack in there. And then of course I have my AirPods, y'all, because I don't know, for breaks and just little things, I like to have them because my mind likes to wander, and sometimes it feels like music is the only thing that can control me. So that's kind of why I have my AirPods with me for school. And then I actually have a little coffee mug that's designated for school. It's marble with like a black rim. I don't know where that's at right now, but I will find it before class. Thank you for tuning in to see what's in my bag. If you enjoy seeing these videos, make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know that, so I know like what direction to go in. I appreciate you guys tuning in to yet another video. This is a big year for me. I'm really excited for this adjustment and change. I'm loving the support. Thank you so much. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and drop a comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe. Until next time, Forever Babes, you know I love you. Mwah. Bye.